This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in context. Write the date and topic, then note the lecturer's name. This saves time later. Once done, divide your page into cues, notes, and a small summary column. Make the summary 1/3 of the page. Select a simple shorthand set, abbreviations and symbols, so you can keep up with pace. Make sure to set 0.5 to 1x line spacing so your notes are dense but readable. This first setup gets you recording right away. While the lecture runs, listen for verbal cues, definitions, examples, contrasts, and repetition, and prioritize those. You write phrases, not full sentences. Use arrows, bullets, and numbers to show relationships quickly. Once the speaker gives a formula or step, jot it verbatim and flag any derivations you don't follow. Make sure to mark unclear points with a question mark or a star so you can target them during review. If the pace slows, expand slightly. When it speeds up, compress to keywords. After class, act quickly. Review and expand your shorthand into brief sentences within 24 hours, filling any gaps while memory is fresh. Once done, write a 1 to 2 sentence summary and list 3 action items, readings, practice problems, or questions to strengthen recall. If something still doesn't make sense, compare notes with peers, scan the slides, or ask the instructor. Make sure you resolve major confusion within 48 hours. If this fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.